Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 3 Nethergong Hill. Now, this property has been completely refurbished and is a fantastic family home offering 3 good sized bedrooms and 2 further reception rooms, 2 stunning bathrooms, a fantastic 124 foot or 38 metre rear garden. You've got a huge driveway providing plenty of off-road parking, and the property offers a beautiful, sleek and contemporary design aspect at each turn, with a beautiful kitchen with roof lantern window. You've got that EV charging point on the front there as well for added modern convenience. Now, location wise, we are in a very nice tucked away countryside location here with a wonderful array of walks on your doorstep, and of course you're in the village here. Again, lovely set of amenities on your doorstep as well. So coming straight through in from the hallway, we've had a good look at the lounge, downstairs shower room there, and then through into the dining area, which then opens through into the kitchen and utility space. From there, we're going to go through and take a look at the bedrooms and of course the garden at the end. So coming through into the kitchen to the rear, a beautiful modern space to enjoy with a range of fitted appliances as well as space for further white goods. You've got the sky lantern there, just letting all of that natural light flood through into the room, and then to the rear we've got that patio space and the rear garden. We're going to head back through and take a look at the bedroom spaces and of course the main family bathroom, and then we'll head out into the back garden and take a look at what we've got there. So here we are upstairs at number 3 Nethergong Hill, and we're starting by taking a look at the bedroom here at the front. Fantastic double-sized room, lots of light coming through from that lovely big window to the front there as well. We've got another fantastic bedroom to take a look at up next before we head through and take a look at the main family bathroom. And then from there we've got one more bedroom to go through and take a look at before we head out into the rear garden. And it's at then that we'll go through a couple of the property's key points again. So coming through into another bedroom, really good sized room, lovely tall window there, letting all of that natural light flood through as well, nice ceiling heights as well. You can see here again the continuation of that beautiful modern and contemporary design and finish. Coming back through out onto the landing, we'll go through and take a look at the main family bathroom here on the right hand side, beautifully finished there with the tiled walls and flooring. You've got the bath on the right hand side there with shower attachment above, sink ahead of us, and then loo on the left hand side. So we've come through into the rear garden here at number 3 Nethergong Hill, and this does give us a good chance just to recap a few points on the property. So this is a completely refurbished family home offering 3 good sized bedrooms and 2 reception rooms. We've got 2 stunning bathrooms, a 124 foot 38 metre rear garden, large driveway providing extensive off-road parking, a beautiful village location here on the edge of some beautiful countryside with walks on your doorstep, and of course the property is presented in impeccable order throughout. I really hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.